Welcome to Bilbao, World Heritage of Virtual Experience, the first tourist destination with no visitors. The Guggenheim is still here. Its interior, available with premium subscription only. Hello, puppy! Always smiling. Tourism no longer requires a body, only a stable connection. Always the same. Trees update every season. Birdsong, sound file, 12.4. The authentic Bilbao experience. Everything is calibrated. The perfect journey. Timeless, effortless, from the comfort of your living room. The first tourist destination with no visitors.